welcome to another special moment with Teacher Princess, your favorite Igbo language coach. Today, we're going to continue what we started in the last lesson, learning how to say the time in Igbo language. And this is the D-Day. You don't even want to miss any moment in today's class. But before we start, have you liked, have you shared, have you subscribed? If you haven't, I want you to know that you were so wrong. Now, take a moment to do that right now. Invite everyone in your community to come and learn all those beautiful things that you've been learning in an exciting manner. Have you been watching our shorts? We post shorts every day of the week that helps you to practice your Igbo language in 1 or 2 minutes. Very fun, very simple, very easy. If you've not been watching our shorts, I'm inviting you to watch one short every day and use it to entertain yourself or learn something new in Igbo language. Now, let's go to class.
Hello, children. You're welcome to class. So, to start off today's lesson, remember this is the third part of the series we started 2 weeks back. I believe you have watched the first video and the second video because it's going to help you to understand this video properly. If you haven't, go right back and do it. Now, let's start. To start today's lesson, we have to start by introducing and counting numbers 1 to 20 in Igbo language. I know we have tried to talk about 1 to 10, but let's talk about 1 to 20 in this lesson. Now, please say with me, okay? 1, otu. 1, otu. 2, abo. 2, abo. 3, ato. 3, ato. 4, ano. 4, ano. 5, ise. 5, ise. 6, isi. Isi. 7, asa. 8, asato. 9, itolu. 10, iri. So we have 1, otu. 2, abo. 3, ato. 4, ano. 5, ise. 6, isi. 7, asa. 8, asato. 9, itolu. 10, iri. Let's move on. 11 is iri na otu. 12, iri na abo. 13, iri na ato. 14, iri na ano. 15, iri na ise. 16, iri na isii. 17, iri na asaa. 18 rather. Iri na asato. 19, iri na itolu. 20, iri abo. You can go over this again and again on your own until you become very, very familiar with it. Now, let's remember some terms we learned in the previous lessons. We learned that when we want to talk about clock in itself is called elekere. If we want to say something o'clock, we say the number and we say elekere whatever. For example, in this case, we have elekere ato. You see, that's 3 o'clock. Elekere ato in this case. We have elekere ato, 3 o'clock, elekere ato. Okay, now I want us to also remember that we said the minute hand is what? Who remembers what the minute hand is? If you remember, write it in the comments. We said in the last lesson that the minute hand is referred to as nkeji. We will need this knowledge in today's lesson. Nkeji is what we use to talk about the minute hand. Nkeji, nkeji. Now let's go. How do you say after? Like after 4, after 3, or 15 minutes after 6, 15 minutes, 20 minutes after 5, all those kind of things. How do we say after? Let me show you and teach you. We say after by saying, O jirila, say with me, O jirila nkeji dash, gafe dash. Again, O jirila nkeji whatever, gafe whatever. And what that means is you're trying to say in layman terms. I'm going to give it a layman translation. You are saying it has gone past, it has used, let's say, 15 minutes. It has used 15 minutes to go past so amount of hours. For example, it has used 10 minutes to go past 5 o'clock. Do you understand? It has gone past 5 o'clock by 10 minutes. That's what you're saying. All right. So after or past. Remember, another word for after is also past. That's another way we say after in Igbo language. Okay. In English language. That's another way we say after in English. Like we can say after or we can say past. So in this case, looking at this clock right on your screen, we see the hour hand is right on 5 akawa. and we see the minute hand on 2, akankeji. So akankeji and no forever. The akankeji is on 2. So if we want to say it's 10 minutes past 5, we will say ojirila nkeji. Ojirila nkeji. How many? Nkeji iri. Gafee elekere ise. Elekere ise is 5 o'clock. It has used 10 minutes to go past 5 o'clock. Ojirila nkeji iri gafee elekere ise. Now let's read it together. 1, 2, go. Ojirila, look at my pointer. Nkeji iri gafee elekere ise. One more time. Ojirila nkeji iri gafee elekere ise. It means it's 10 minutes past 5 in normal English. It's 10 minutes past 5. Did you understand it? Give yourself a thumbs up. Now, like, share, subscribe. Do all those things I like to hear you do and to have you do. If you haven't done so till now, you are so wrong. You are so wrong. Next, how do we say half past or 30? Like 3:30, 4:30, 10:30, or half past 10. How do we say it in Igbo? Past. Half past is called okara. Say with me, okara. Okara is the word for half past. Or we can say 30 minutes after. 30 minutes after. That's nkeji iriato. Nkeji iriato. Nkeji iriato. All right? So let's use this clock as a case study. In this clock that is on my screen, I believe you can see it, it's 4:30. So we can say, ojirila okara. Gafe elekere ano. It has used half to go past 4 o'clock. Ojirila okara. Gafe elekere ano. That's the layman translation. It means in normal English, it's 4:30. Ojirila okara. Gafe elekere ano. It means it has gone past 4 o'clock by half. If I don't want to use okara, I don't want to say it's 4:30. I want to say it's 4:30. What do I say? So I take away okara and I replace it with nkeji iriato. Nkeji iriato. Nkeji iriato. So I can either say ojirila nkeji iriato gafe elekere ano, or I can say ojirila okara gafe elekere ano. Do you understand? I believe you do. Clap for yourself. Well done. The next is how to say 2. 10 minutes to 5, 5 minutes to 8, 6 minutes to 2. How do we say 2 in Igbo? We say it by saying ofodoro. Ofodoro. Nkeji, how many minutes? Ka okwo. Whatever o'clock. It's remaining so and so minutes to become 5 o'clock. It's remaining so and so minutes to become 10 o'clock. That's what we're saying. Say with me. Ofodoro. Again, ofodoro. Ofodoro. Nkeji. Look at this clock. Let's analyze it based on the clock we have on our screen. Are you ready? Take a look. Let's do it properly. So on this clock that we're seeing right here on my screen, it's 5 minutes to 8 o'clock. So we can say ofodoro nkeji ise ka ọkụọ gịnị elekere asatọ. Ofodoro nkeji ise ka ọkụọ elekere asatọ. Did you learn something? I believe you did. Clap for me for teaching you. All right, now let's see, read it down here. So 5 minutes to 8 o'clock would be ofodoro nkeji ise. It's remaining 5 minutes. Ka ọkụọ, before the time says elekere asatọ, 8 o'clock. Ofodoro nkeji ise ka ọkụọ elekere asatọ. Say with me slowly. Ofodoro nkeji ise ka ọkụọ elekere asatọ. Did you get it right? I'm proud of you if you did. If you didn't get it right, then clap for me for teaching you. And then go back and learn it again and learn it again. Moving on. Now I'm going to ask you this question. I'm only going to ask you this one. If you want opportunities to practice further, you have to come to class, right? We're trying to keep our YouTube videos and our social media videos as short as possible so that we don't keep you for too long, okay? So Looking at the time, can you say the time? Kedu ihe na-akụ? What is the time? Can you say the time? Oh, 5 minutes to 12. Do you know the answer? Try. Ask an adult around you. Pause the video. Ask anybody. Use your pen and paper. Try to figure it out using the method I taught you in this video. If you have done it right, then it's fine. Let me now tell you the answer. When I tell you the answer, you're going to check if you were correct. And if you were wrong, you just adjust it and correct yourself. The answer is ọ fọdụrụ gịnị? Ọ fọdụrụ nkeji ise. It's remaining 5 minutes. Ka ọ kụọ elekere iri na abụọ. Say with me. Ọ fọdụrụ nkeji ise ka ọ kụọ elekere iri na abụọ. If you got it right, give yourself a super high five. A super high five. I am giving you a high five already. I'm so proud of you, okay? Jishike.
How was that? Did you get it correctly? Can you say the time now? If I ask you what is 3:15 p.m., can you say it? If I ask you how to say 9:30 a.m., can you say it? If you can say it, then you have actually maximized this lesson. But if you still have some unclear areas, then you may need to go over the lesson again and learn how to say it correctly this time. Don't forget, I'm always rooting for you. If you want a more personalized approach and you want one-on-one classes for yourself or for your children, look at the number on your screen and send a WhatsApp message immediately, and let's get the ball rolling. My name is Princess Enyinna-Okoro, and I'm always rooting for you. That will be all for today, but till I come your way next time, remember, na sokwa Igbo maka na gini Igbo amaka kode.